today, hi guys. Today we're shopping some food. So we're here now. Let's get down. Tara. So let's go.
Go.
Here goes Matt.
Yan na.
Hi guys. Today we're going to Here Go because we need to shop some food and I'm really hungry. So let's go. Hi guys.
Hindi, continue. This continue.
Discontinue.
Go.
Now we're here at the Here Go.
Kad na, diretso na.
My dad.
Na.
And a bread.
Hmm. Bread is on the other side. There. Here. Side. Here's the bread. Later. Find another one.
Blackpink Oreo. Blackpink Oreo.
One.
Oreo, that's a Blackpink Oreo.
This is a pink Oreo.
What?
Strawberry cream. And that's the flavor. Strawberry.
Where did you see this? Need to read it.
Later.
Blackpink Oreo.
Yeah, black pink Oreo.
Oh, this one Blackpink Oreo.
Strawberry Oreo.
You read this.
Strawberry cream.
How about this?
Oreo.
But I chose better this one. This is looks like the Blackpink Oreo.
No, that's double top. It's color white also. It's not a color pink.
This color.
This is the flavor, strawberry flavor.
Fine. What is not Blackpink?
Better choose one. Better this one.
Okay.
This one. No more Oreo. Only one. Only one. What do you choose? Oreo or brownies?
Brownies.
Okay. I will return this. Let's go.
I'm so hungry.
Pillows. Do you like pillows?
No. And
This one, pillows.
no. No.
Let's go.
I only like brown. Wala kami pa. Carlo, come here.
We will look.
Here, pay.
We will look for vinegar.
I forgot.
What?
I got allergy.
No, it's not. Fine. Say bye-bye.
What?
Say bye.
No. Wow. That's a lot of balloons.
Go to another side.